So, need to reset my timer. Gonna do 5 minutes again, starting now. All right, so for this one, I am doing an updo, and it's gonna be 3 sections. So, for this one, I want a deep part. So, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then with this one, same type of method in the sense that I'm going to roll up, kind of twisting my locks up as I go. All right. Not really paying attention to how many I'm rolling in. There's no rhyme or reason. It doesn't have to be perfect, because with locks, I mean, it's bound to come out looking wonderful, whether you plan it out well or not. So yeah, I'm literally just rolling and pulling locks as I go. Right. We're already down a minute, but we are good, we're good, we're good. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to use an elastic band just because the section is larger, and I don't think that it'll stay if I just, maybe it would, but whatever. I'm gonna elastic band that section off. All right, so that's part 1. Now that I got my little bang swoop, I want to do the same thing over here. So I'll start it kind of small. Twist, 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 and going up. Twist, and grabbing locks as I go along. Twist. Okay. And I'm going to secure that with an elastic band. Not even doing it twice, just one time, just to hold it while we're waiting. And then on this right side, I'm gonna do the same thing. Whew, 3 minutes left. We're coming down to the wire. All right, so twisting up, twisting up, twisting upward, and pulling locks in as I go back. Making sure I'm not pulling too tightly, but tight enough so that the style stays. Same thing, securing it with a rubber band. All right, so you could leave it like that, but that looks kind of weird to me. So from there, this is what we're looking like. From there, I like to gather my 3 sections, and my last section, y'all, I don't have an elastic, like a ponytail holder. That's what I'm missing, a ponytail holder. So that's what I would use normally. And I'm not about to stop this video because I'm still under the time crunch. 2 minutes left. All right, so, ooh, come on, ah, dang it. Come on, elastic band. Don't do me dirty, don't do me dirty. Come on. All right, it would be better if I had a thing, but yeah, all right, so we got our updo, all right? Here we go. Oh, let me pause. So that one we did with 1:37 left to spare. Got our updo. Make sure that you use an actual hair elastic band, not one of these tiny little rubber bands like I got. But we made it work. Look at that, in under 5 minutes. A second style. This one's a little bit more oomph, so you might want to throw something different in there. I'm not going to do lock jewelry on all of them just because that would make this video extremely long, but you could easily put some lock jewelry in here on any of these, thread on some of the, they kind of remind me of African drums, like congos. So you could thread on some of these if you wanted to, so that way they were dispersed throughout your locks. Just give them a pop. Ooh, I stay dropping stuff, y'all. All right, so style 2, I would say not bad, it worked. All right. If you found this video helpful, then go ahead and join the flock by hitting that subscribe button. I post videos like this regularly throughout the week, and go ahead and hit that like button so that I know what type of content you're enjoying. See you in the next video.